If you want to be successful in trading, it's not about just having a good trading strategy or it's not about selecting the right stock. It's about having a clear goal on your mindset. So I'll be talking about a lot of important things in this video and I'll be sharing you some of the tricks and tips which will help you to be a consistent profitable trader and also to set your trading goals. Okay, so watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel. You can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from last 5 to 7 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading and want to recover your losses in trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And we trade without any indicators, very simple and straightforward and secure way. Okay, so you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. And the course prices are very reasonably priced. Okay, and also you get everyday live market personal support as well. So you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get more details and to connect with me and to discuss with me. And by being said that, now let's talk about the concept of setting goals in trading. So setting goal in trading. So many people, what they think is they just invest the money and they think of doubling it in a very quicker way. So that's not how the trading works. Okay. So many people, what they think is they think they will invest 1 lakh and within a month they should double it by 2 lakh or 3 lakh, something like that. Of course, it's possible, but the possibility is very less. So how should you see the trading as? So for example, let's take the example of bank FD here. Okay. So now you know that bank FD gives you the return of 7 to 8% per annum. But if you are a good trader and if you learn about trading, you can make more than that. Okay. Of course, you can double your capital, but the time frame what it requires is more to do it in a very safer way. And when you are thinking about setting goal, please think about setting the goal in long term financial goals. Okay, it's not about short term, it's not about you make how much per month or how much you make in a day or something like that in trading. It's about you have to have a long visual and long term plan. For example, if you are starting with capital of 1 lakh, 10 lakh or anything, you should at least aim for making 10%, 20% return like that. Okay, so it's not about doubling it in just 1 month or 1 week. It's not like that, because when you are trading, not all stock will go according to your way. Okay, for example, if you buy a stock, it doesn't mean that it will keep on going straight up. So the stock will correct, the market will correct. There are a lot of things what you need to understand as well. Okay, so for example, if you buy a stock at 100, the stock will reach 105 and will come back to 95, and then again it will go back to 110. So that's how the stock market works and that's how the stock works. Okay, so now you need to have a good skill and a good trading strategy to pick a stock at 95 and to sell it at 100. Okay, and then you can rotate your capital and trade on the other stocks. Okay, so you need to have this emotional trading plan and a good trading setup to make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so it's not about doubling your capital, it's not about making jackpot in 1 or 2 trades, it's not like that. So you have to be consistent profitable trader, so that is what is important. Okay, so if you stick to your trading plans and if you stick to your discipline, then you can be a consistent profitable trader and always think in a longer time frame. Okay, it's not about 1 trade or 2 trades, you have to think about your longer time frame and how you can be successful in trading. Okay, so have a plan for what you're investing. So before you take any trade, have a plan of what is your target, what is your stop loss, what is your risk, and what is your reward. Okay, so all have you should have all of this plan in your mind before you take any kind of trade. Okay, and also in trading there are a lot of segments. Okay, you can do in equity, you can do in futures, you can do in options and lot of things. But according to me, what I feel is doing in stocks, that is equity, is very safer. And if you're a beginner, I would strongly advise you to start doing in equity stocks first, and then you can go to the other segments, because equity stocks are always safer. Okay, and also if you're planning to do swing trades, that is even more safer. Okay, if you want to learn from me about all these things, you can join us today. You can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me, and I'll be guiding you all these things in details. And also inside my channel, as I've already said you, I've uploaded live trading videos from last 5 to 7 years plus. How you can see how we analyze the trades every single day without any indicators. Okay, so starting by a goal in your mindset for intraday trading or any kind of trading is very important, because that will help you to analyze what kind of investment you need, what kind of setup you need to follow on. Okay, so plan by your goals and always set your target, and always have the plan of trading on what segment you want. Okay, so as I already said you, doing in equity stocks is always safe, and you can start doing with that. Okay, so you need to have a better investment plan, and you need to have a better investment capital and everything. So before you start doing it, you have to analyze all these things and start doing it. And once you have this trading plan and goal in your mind, for example, let's say you have a capital of 1 lakh or 10 lakh, and your goal is to make 10% every month or 5% every month. So when you're sticking to this goal, a little correction in the market or little volatility in the market should not affect you, because if you are bounded by your goals and if you are sticking to your goals, the discipline will come automatically. Okay, so build your strategy that aligns with your goal and follow it, and sticking to the discipline is very important, and emotional discipline in trading is very important. Just because you see some news, or just because you see little bit of volatility, it doesn't mean that you change your goals, or it doesn't mean that you change your trades. So always stick to your trading plan, stick to your trading discipline, and have a good trading strategy and a trading setup which will give you a good trades. Okay, and sticking to the plan during the market volatility is very important. So as I was telling you, sometimes the market will be very volatile, but if you have a long term goal in your mind, that will not affect you. Okay, so you should consider all these things. And yes, if you have a good trading plan and if you are good with your investment thing, then you can definitely do it. Okay, so you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you all these things more in detail about stock selection, how you can do intraday trading, how you can do swing trading. I'll be guiding you all these things. So you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.